Possums ain't very smart, that's for sure. See you later, guy. Oh, look at him. Hey, you got a friend up there. Him and the bird. See Mr. Bird? Okay, that's pretty funny. Possum and bird. Possum and bird. Hey, Possum, where you gonna go? Oh, shit. Getting a lay of the land. What to do now? I'm gonna stand up on top of this motherfucker. Man, bird said, fuck this. That Possum. Oh, hi, Miss Possum. How you doing? I'm gonna need you to narrate this carrot, because this is pretty funny. I know there's a Mexican standoff, but bird's going, this is my turf. Get the fuck off my turf. This is my pole, damn it. You got your own pole, or go find another pole. Possum kind of drooling. Dude, you need to find shade and water. It's the other direction. Go. Maybe he's looking at the bird going, that could be lunch. Maybe. I'm thinking lunch. Bird standing up straight going, fuck you. Possum looking back at me going, what are you doing? What you talking about, Willis? Okay, well, I don't got all day, so y'all go have fun. Make birds and possums together.